Hi there, so I'm going to show you what is in our brand new subs box. So this one here is all about balloons and sentiments, so you can make incredible cards and projects using balloons and the sentiments. So what we'll do is we'll go straight in, we'll have a look at everything that you can get. You can see within the box already there, all beautifully presented as you would expect. So you can make a minimum of 18 cards. We've got over 330 elements within this box. Let's just turn it around so it gives you a very quick idea. We are just going to go through it. Metal dies, you've got envelopes, perils, baker twine, printed sheets, ribbon, all to name a few that comes within the box. But I know what you want to do is you want to see exactly what you're getting within them. So let's turn this over. So as you know by now, we get a beautifully presented box inside, just with a wee thank you from Sarah. If I bring this down, you can see as well, you've got your welcome to your new project kit, also all about Sarah. So we've got our printed papers, our printed vellum, you can see all the way around. So if I bring that into view for you to see, then what I'm going to do is, if I then just bring some paper in, just so that you can kind of get an idea, you can see exactly what you're going to be getting. So if I bring this in, so we've got, this is all our balloon stamps here. So as you can see, it's all in the themes of balloons, but we've got sentiments, we've got congrats, we've got happy, we've got birthday, thanks, baby, surprise, all these individual wee stamps as well that you can be making sentiments, but really fun and cute little cards that you could be doing. So that comes within the box as well. Then we've even got some more there. So we've got things such as love, hello, friend, party, celebrate. We've got additional balloons, we've got streamers, we've got confetti, additional wee sentiments as well, all to be making your own cards as well. So these also come in all individual stamps that you can see just within there. Now here, this is where we have got our die sets on here. So this, I'm not sure if you can quite make this one out, but this is actually friend. So what we could do is then, as you can see just there, we've got the word and the stamp friend, just like that. So what you can do is you can stamp this out using your stamping platform, then you can come along with your actual die and you can then die cut that out. It all die cuts out in one. So you have got the balloon effect but saying the word stamp. We've also got hello, then we've also got love, and we've even got this really nice wee banner as well, which also fits many of these wee sentiments as well that you can just see at the side there. So that comes included. That's 4 metal dies that you've got. Then look at all these gems and perils you've got. As you would expect, a lot of the colorways all work together. So I'm just going to bring that in so you can see. So we've got the perils and we've also got the gems, and just look at those colors there. Your deep pinks, you've got your goldy yellows, as well as your lilac purples within these. That also comes included. Then even this time, we're giving you some of the baker's twine on here. So we can see that the colours all work together, as I just say. So we've got the pinks in the white, lilac in the white, yellow in the white, and we've also just got whites. Don't forget, use your alcohol markers, use your ink pads as well. Colour them and change them all that you want to work with your project. So these come included. Then we've also got an assorted ribbon. So let's go straight into these ones here. So as you would know to expect by now, you get the same colours, but you get multiple different widths on these ones here. So look at these ones here. So we've got a real, it's sort of like highlight pinks and your highlight yellows. And then we've got your purple / lilac on these ones there. So if I just bring these quickly back in, you can see how all these colourways work beautifully together. That also comes included. You also get your envelopes. So your envelopes all come ready for you to pop your finished projects in. But because you've got your envelopes, you've also got your card blanks as well. So you've got a variety of different sizes within these ones just there. That's all that one there. Then we've got a printed paper. So if I show you these ones, and I'm going to open these up and I'm going to let you see the sort of designs. These are all 8x8 in size, and then they're all really lovely pastel sort of colours that run all the throughout. Look at all these designs. You've got sort of like checkered, we've got bubbles, we've got borders, we've got straight lines, we've got gingham, we've got so many different ones. We've got streamers, we've got flowers, all these variety of different sizes, all 8x8 within these ones here. So that comes included. And then to complement not only your pattern papers, but also your ribbons, as well as your twine and your gems, we've got these colorways of 8x8 papers as well. So they all work in conjunction. So we can see we have got your pinks, we've got your deep purples, we've got your greens, mint greens, oranges, lime greens, we've got really subtle lilacs in there, as well as your spring or summertime yellows. So that all comes included. So everything that I've just showed you there all comes included within the subs box. So just quickly, so we'll go and pop them back in the box and we'll just go over everything again that you get within them. So you've got your 8x8 papers within these ones here. You've also got your 8x8 pattern papers that also come included as well. So when you're making your cards, of course, you need your cards and you need your envelopes as well, which all are all in this one pack together. Then we've got our gems and we've got our pearls as well, all colour coordinating beautifully. We've got our Baker twines as well. We've even got our 3 sizes of ribbon, but there's 9 lengths in total. And then the actual star of the show, we've got our dies, our balloon dies that work in conjunction with our balloon stamps there. So just quickly, what we have got, we've got your balloon stamps that stamp out with love, hello, friend, party, celebrate, as well as additional sentiments and accents, as well as some more when it comes to your congratulations, happy birthday, thank you, and a lot more too. So all of that comes within this box here, which is your brand new one, which is your balloon sentiment, stamp and die kit, all contained in the one box.